What's up, everybody? Sorry for the long pause in the videos again. Work and life have been very much getting in the way. In the meantime, I've been collecting parts here and there while I was at work, getting ready for when I was done. I'm going to be taking a whole month off because me and Sadie are getting married in June and we'll be moving. So congrats to us for that. That's a big accomplishment. Also, shout out to everybody that got me to 600 subscribers. I always say this, but I never thought I would make it as far as I have been. So I appreciate the continuous support, even whenever I'm not posting. On another note, lately I have been collecting some shoes. So I have the Ghost Green Retro ones. I just started wearing my Forces. I've been having these for a minute. And I copped me some mid ones, just in a basic colorway. I've been out the shoe game for a little while, so I felt like I needed to start getting back into it. But anyway, enough about that. So today we're going to be going install a radio in the EK, which is part of a bigger plan for things that I have for it. So I'll be going to Jay's in a little while, and we'll pick this video back up over there. So see y'all in a few.
Oh, you supposed to be,
Yeah. All right, so anyway, fast forward. We're trying to do this the easy way without pulling the whole dash out. We're about to find out right quick if the harness is the exact same, because maybe we can get away without having to wire it. But I went with the Kentwood. Let me see the box. Went with this here, Kentwood with the Bluetooth. The only reason why I got this one is because it was RGB. The one that's in here right now just lights up red. And surprise, surprise, I'm planning on doing an S2K cluster at some point, and those light up orange. So I would like to be able to kind of keep it all uniform, and even change like my little lights here to orange as well. So that was kind of my reasoning behind it. But I mean, it's a janky little radio anyway. But yeah, so we're finding out right now what's it looking like. It's gonna do or no?
we're not sure. I don't think so.
No. Okay. Well, then we'll probably have to re-crimp everything, which, if you know anything about doing radios, is pretty easy. But yeah, said just a nicer radio in general, and we'll go ahead and time lapse that process. All right. First, I gotta cut all these old wires off real quick. We got both ends stripped now, so I'm gonna go ahead and start crimping these ends on. Again, I know this isn't the most entertaining thing to watch, but it's got to be done. So I'm gonna hit y'all with another time lapse real quick. Alright, so I spared y'all all the crimping together and everything, but I guess now we gotta actually plug it in and see if I got it to work. I mean, if you've ever installed a radio, you know it's pretty straightforward, so I think we'll be alright. So anyway, let's go ahead and plug it up and see if it turns on. Alright, let's see what we talking about. Looks like we're good. Gonna have to set a couple of things up, so let me do this real quick. All right, so got that. I'm gonna have to set the time up and everything. My connector here isn't holding all the way, so I might have to just tape it to make sure it stays together, but that's all good. Let me see if it'll connect the Bluetooth to my phone and all that stuff, and see if it activates my speaker. I'm gonna have to reset all my settings, but I'm filming on my iPhone, so I'll have to just let you know how it goes. I mean, I'm sorry, but yeah, let me do that, and then I'll let y'all know what's going on. I'll get the color all set up and everything. So one sec. All right, so I got everything figured out. The only thing I'm gonna have to mess around with is getting my speaker to work back there, because my other radio went up to 60. For some reason, this one only stops at 35 on the volume, and I had to turn my other radio up to like 60 to make my bass hit. So I'm gonna look at the plugins in the back. But next time I pick the camera up, I'll have the radio all installed and everything. And again, I'll try to mess with everything and even show y'all my speaker setup if y'all want to see. So just bear with me. Again, I don't really do this too often. So let me go ahead and get this figured out. Okay, so I got everything all installed now. I figured out I had 2 issues. One of them being that the main harness pins weren't all directly lining up, so when I went to push the harness back in, it wouldn't do. It would make this speaker go out if I would try to push it in. So fixed that, and I'd actually crimped the signal wire that sends the signal to the bass. You can see it on this one. I had crimped it to the blue one on the actual car harness, but I had forgot that I had a signal wire ran. So simple fix, got it all working. I'm gonna have to definitely mess with it so I don't blow my damn speaker up, but let me show y'all what I'm working with. So I don't even know. This speaker is just a little cheap speaker that I bought off of Zach. It's nothing special, you know, it hits stupid hard. This app I had bought, it's a Precision Power. I bought it from my buddy Blake. He had no use for it anymore, picked it up off of him for 80 bucks. And my battery was already ran in the back when I initially bought the car. So I just never messed with it, but at some point I would like to tuck it away, maybe in the wheel well or something, to make it cleaner back here and do a whole setup. But anyway, I do plan on keeping all the seats and everything. I went out of my way to actually find the brackets to make my seats stand up straight and keep the interior as stock as possible. All in all, I probably didn't need a new radio. One of the main reasons why I bought it is because this one didn't have the little frame on it, and again, I wanted to be able to adjust the RGB, because when I do get that S2000 cluster, again, like I was saying, like everything's going to be orange on it, and I'm just kind of one of those people that likes everything to be matching. But I mean, this new radio looks super nice, fits in there perfectly. So I mean, simple little thing. I just wanted to kind of put a video out there, give everybody an update about my life and what's going on right now. Again, I'm probably gonna be chilling out a little bit again because we're getting married. We're freaking moving 3 hours away, and I got a lot of stuff to figure out. So again, you know, I appreciate y'all rocking with me and the ones who take the time to watch my videos all the way through. You know more about what's going on, and you know, y'all are a little bit less harsh on me than some other people. I get a lot of people follow me and then unfollow me because I don't post consistently, but once I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'll be able to start monetizing videos. And I just want to put it out there now that any money that I make on this channel, if it ever gets to that point, is strictly going back into my cars and everything. I watch a lot of big YouTubers and they do the same exact thing. I don't know, I don't expect to make it there, but if I do, and the odd chance, again, I want to be able to buy more cars and everything. I've been looking, and I know I shouldn't be, at buying new cars and everything like that, whether it's a Civic or whether it's a different platform, but right now the fiance says I can't, so just bear with me. But I promise you, if I ever get to 1,000, I'll really start considering buying another vehicle soon. So anyway, I don't want to ramble on too much. I know a lot of y'all don't like to see my ugly mug, but again, you know, thank y'all for sticking with me and liking my content and stuff like that. Again, I'm trying my best to make it interesting. I'm trying my best to be consistent, but with life and everything else, you know, it's not always about the cars and all that stuff. So again, you know, thank y'all. Appreciate 600, and I will see y'all in the next one.